And I'm Haley.
By looking at our faces, you know who we are.
By looking at a person's face, you know how he or she feels.
How can we do that?
Let me show you now. And we'll learn some funny idioms using the names of parts of our bodies.
What is an idiom?
An idiom is a group of words put together to create a special meaning.
Is it difficult to understand the special meaning of an idiom?
Not that difficult if you watch and listen carefully. Using a little bit of imagination makes it easier too.
Let's begin.
Whoa! 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 Are we going up and up? Whoa! Up and up!
That's funny.
Didn't you notice, Jenny? We often raise our eyebrows when we are surprised.
Really?
Yes. To raise some eyebrows is an idiom.
It means to surprise people.
Or to shock them. Hey, look.
Oh, he looks odd.
Now you see? His look raised some eyebrows.
Let's see what Mona Lisa found.
Excuse me? Excuse me, madam. You can't leave your baby here. You must keep an eye on your baby.
Can you please keep an eye on the baby for me while I go and get a drink?
No, I can't. You must take care of your own baby.
So, to keep an eye on something is an idiom too.
That's right.
Let me guess. To keep an eye on the baby means to watch it closely or look after it.
Very good. We say keep an eye on something when we want someone to look after it or watch it closely.
But something happens then.
Who's this? Wait! Wait! Oh my goodness! A thief! A thief! Stop him! Where's the guard? Keep an eye on the paintings in here. Where's the guard? Wait! 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 Stop him!
Too bad. Without the Mona Lisa, we can do nothing, Jenny.
Let's find the painter.
Jenny, the Italian painter Leonardo da Vinci is dead.
I have an idea.
I'm all eyes and ears. Hey, to understand this idiom, you have to think about the use of your eyes and ears.
They're for seeing and hearing.
I'm all eyes and ears. I'm watching and listening carefully. Tell us your idea now.
Okay.
Hey, are you all eyes and ears?
Watch and listen carefully. Hello, I'd like to report a crime.
Inspector David, I'm Henry. Is there anything I can do to help? I'd be happy to lend a hand.
No, I don't need any help. Stand there and watch, Henry.
Yes, Inspector. Excuse me, sir. I just want to tell you one thing.
Shh. Walls have ears. Someone may be listening next door. Don't say anything.
Yes, Inspector. What did you find, Inspector?
Shh. Walls have ears. Didn't I just tell you to shut up? It went in one ear and out the other.
Sorry, sir. I heard you, but then I forgot. Sorry.
You have to keep your ears to the ground.
Yes, sir.
What are you doing?
I'm keeping my ear to the ground, sir.
That's not what I asked you to do. Stand up.
Yes, sir.
What did the inspector want Henry to do?
I remember a cowboy movie. Cowboy listened for enemies' footsteps on the ground.
I guess the inspector wanted Henry to listen.
Very close. He wanted Henry to listen out for what other people say about the theft.
So the police can get more clues to catch the thief.
Right. So to keep your ear to the ground means to listen out for information about something. Do you understand the other idioms the inspector used?
Inspector David, I'm Henry. Is there anything I can do to help? I'd be happy to lend a hand. Excuse me, sir. I just want to tell you one thing.
Shh. Walls have ears. Someone may be listening next door. Don't say anything.
How about the idiom, in one ear and out the other?
Hey, we have this idiom in Chinese too.
Didn't I just tell you to shut up? It went in one ear and out the other.
Sorry, sir. I heard you, but then I forgot. Sorry.
I always forget what my mom tells me to do. And she always says, in one ear and out the other.
Oh, try not to forget, Jenny.
Okay. Can the police find the thief?
Let's see.
What's that pleasant smell?
I baked some cookies. Would you like to try some?
Wow! They're making my mouth water. Thanks! delicious!
What makes your mouth water? Barbecue food or fried rice? Just the smell of food makes my mouth water.
Have you told Inspector David what you found?
No, not yet. He thinks he's the smartest. There he is. He has his nose in the air.
Oh, he's so proud of himself. I will not have my nose in the air. I'm a modest little girl.
Listen to me. Offer him some cookies. He likes cookies. Then tell him what you found.
Okay.
Hey, boys and girls. Can the police find the thief?
Let's have a quick look at the idioms you've learned today.
And then we'll watch the end of the case. Now you see, his look raised some eyebrows.
Excuse me. You must keep an eye on your baby.
I'm all eyes and ears. I'm watching and listening carefully.
Is there anything I can do to help? I'd be happy to lend a hand.
I always forget what my mom tells me to do. And she always says, in one ear and out the other.
To keep your ear to the ground means to listen out for information about something. What makes your mouth water? Barbecue food or fried rice? Just the smell of food makes my mouth water.
Oh, he's so proud of himself. I will not have my nose in the air. I'm a modest little girl.
Inspector David? Would you like any cookies?
Yummy. I like cookies.
Sir. This is the photo of the thief.
Where did you get it?
There was a hidden camera there.